Good morning, my dear students. Look at here. Now, in the previous class, you studied quadratic formula and application of quadratic formula. You remember that? Are you ready? Let's start. Are you ready? Then look at it. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is quadratic formula. You study that. And look at the term inside the root, that is b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, see that. For example, it is 4 or 25, 36, etc. It has two roots. One of them is positive and another one is negative. So if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, otherwise it is positive. Better you write with me. If b square, otherwise watch carefully in the video, then write it. B square minus 4ac greater than 0, then you remember you get two answers. Two answers. Because one of the value of root b square minus 4ac is positive, other value is negative. So you get two roots, two different roots. You get two different, otherwise distinct roots. Two distinct real roots. It's a real number. Two distinct real roots. So if b square minus 4ac positive, otherwise if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, you get two distinct roots. It's clear. One more. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, what happens? Minus b plus or minus 0 by 2a. One of the answer. Another answer minus b minus 0. So both are root 0 equal to 0. Minus b by 2a and again repeated minus b by 2a. That means 2 equal real roots. One of the answer is minus b plus 0 by 2a, another answer is minus b minus 0 by 2a. Both of them are minus b by 2a. You get the idea? So you get two answers and they are equal. They are equal. So if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, you get two equal real roots. Better you write it. Two equal real roots. And sit down. And if b square minus 4ac less than 0, that 0 means negative. So this number is negative, means no roots, no real roots. You get the idea? Root of a negative number means there is no real roots. Okay? So you once again, there is no real roots. That's your answer. No real roots. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, there is no real roots. Is it all? And look at it. What's the question first? Question. Write the characteristics of the roots. Okay, that's the question. Question number 1. X square plus 4x plus 8 equal to 0. Are you ready? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 8. We want to find b square minus 4ac and then better you write it. The name is discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. Discriminant of the equation. B square minus 4ac is discriminant. Better you write it. B square minus 4ac is discriminant. B square minus 4ac is b square is 4 square. 4 into 1 into 8. 4 into 1 into 8. 4 square 16. 4 into 8 32. You get negative 16. You remember? If b square minus 4ac is negative, there is no real root. So your answer is there is no real roots. Is it clear? No real roots. That's your answer. Is it all? One more. X square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. We want to write the characteristic of the roots or the characteristic of the solutions of this equation. Are you ready? A equal to 1, B equal to 6 and C is equal to 9. You see that? B square minus 4AC is 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 9. 6 square 4 into 1 into 9. That is 36 minus 36 equal to 0. You remember the condition? If B square minus 4AC is equal to 0, you remember that? That is, there are two equal real roots. If B square minus 4AC equal to 0, there are two equal real roots. Is it clear? Two equal real roots. And one more. That's also the question is to find the characteristic of the roots or characteristic of the solution. You may say solutions also. That is the value of x. X square plus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. A equal to 1, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 4. B square minus 4AC is 5 square minus 4 into 1 into 4. 25 minus 16 equal to 9. 4 into 4, 16, 5 square 25, subtract it to get 9. So what is the characteristic? It's a positive. It's a positive. So you see that. B square minus 4AC calculated to get the positive number. Is it clear? So there are two distinct, that means different real roots. You remember the characteristic? If B square minus 4AC is positive, there are two distinct real roots. Because one answer, one of the root is positive and other root is negative. That's why you get two distinct real roots. Is it clear? Okay, I will give you the home assignments of this later. Once again, a video watch ചെയ്താലാണ് answer എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും. About half of the students completed clearly, watch the video and completed the home assignments also. അപ്പോൾ ബാക്കിയുള്ളവർ കൃത്യമായി അത് വാച്ച് ചെയ്ത് എന്നിട്ട് പ്രോഗ്രാം ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് ക്ലാരിറ്റി ഉണ്ടാവും. So watch the video, then clear the home assignments. All the best.